Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will request you to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, today I am introducing you a new earning website, heyshop.com. Here you can make more and more profit. Link of the website you can find in the description of the video, and I will tell you the process of registration. Enter your email address here, then you will enter your password and click here to sign up, and you will be registered in this website. It's very simple, and I have already been registered in this website, so I will meet you out for my login. So friends, I have logged in the website. Here you can see the interface of the page, and here you can also see the notification. Here you can see about the recharge. So friends, here you can see window of the page. Here this is the business all of the website, and here you can see commission notification which are people receiving from all over the world from this website. Here you can check recharge and withdrawal, and if you want to download the app you can click here. So here I will tell you about the investment and about the VIPs. In VIP 1 you will invest 80 USDT, 10 USDT, daily profit is 2 USDT, 5 daily tasks you have to be completed. In VIP 2 you will invest 35 USDT, daily profit is 7 USDT, and you will complete 5 tasks. $1.4 is one task amount. So here you can see in VIP 3 you will deposit 200 USDT, daily profit is 40 USDT, and total profit you can earn 1600 USDT. In VIP 4 you will invest 800 USDT, daily profit is 160 USDT, and total profit is 6400 USDT. In VIP 5 you will invest 1900 USDT, daily profit is 380 USDT. In VIP 6 you will deposit 3200 USDT, daily profit is 640 USDT, and in 40 days you will get 25,600 USDT, which is very high ratio. In VIP 7 you will invest 6600 USDT, daily profit is 1300 USDT, and in 40 days you will get 52,000 USDT, daily profit is 1300. In VIP 8 you will invest 11,000 USDT, daily profit is 27,000, and you will get 110,000 USDT the whole profit. In VIP 9 you will invest 35,000 USDT, daily profit is 9,000 USDT. Within 4 days you can withdraw your principal amount. In VIP 10 you will invest 65,000 USDT, daily profit is 17,000, and you can withdraw your principal amount within 3 days. Here it's me. This is your profile. You can check your profile, recharge, withdrawal, account detail you can check here, financial record you can check here, and you can also change password from here. So this is team. This is main source of your income. Share your link and invitation code through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Where you think that you can manage a good team, you can share your link. You can invite your friends and family members, and you can make a strong team. As much your team will be strong, you can get more and more benefit of level 1, which is 10%. It means if your team A will deposit 1000 USDT, you will get 100 USDT immediately. In level 2 you will get 3%, and for level 3 you can get 1% of your level 3 team deposits. So this is very simple, and this is very high ratio. So now I will tell you about the recharge, how to recharge your account. So come at recharge. You can recharge through QR code, or you can copy the address. I will copy the address from here. So it's very simple. I will copy the address, then I will go to my wallet. So friends, after that you will come at your wallet, and at wallet send USDT TRC20 page. You will paste the address which you have copied from the website, then enter the amount. I have to deposit 10 USDT, so I will write the amount 10. Then I will click here to next, and I will confirm payment from my wallet. After confirming payment from my wallet, I will go to my website. At website, I will click here to recharge complete, and my account will be recharged. So friends, as I recharge my account, you can see that VIP 1 has been opened for me. So I will go to VIP 1, and 5 daily tasks I have to complete here. So I will go to the first one. So similarly, I will complete all the tasks. So you have to be completed. and it will be also complete. So keep remember that you have to complete your task on daily basis. If you will not complete, you cannot get anything from the website. So you will complete it. I have completed 5 tasks. So now we can go for a withdrawal and we can check how much I have earned from this website. So I will go to withdrawal. Here you can see 2 USDT I have earned. So I will write the amount 2 USDT. After that I have to enter my wallet address. So I will go to my wallet. In wallet I will come at receive USDT RC20 page and I will copy the address from here. Then I will go to website. At website I will paste the address which I have copied from my wallet. Then I will post my transaction password. And I will click here to confirm. And it will be confirmed. So withdrawal has been successfully added. So you can see that 2 USDT has been added into my wallet. You can also check the timing of withdrawal and timing of my cell phone. These are the same. It means that I have withdrawn 2 USDT from this website. So friends, you saw that I have withdrawn 2 USDT from this website within 5 to 7 minutes. I just completed 5 tasks, deposited for 10 USDT only. You can also get this money and more than this. Just join my team. Join heyshopping.com where you can change your life with heavy earnings. It's very simple. It's very amazing. Just share your link and referral code through any social media and make a strong team. As much you will be strong, you can get more and more benefits. So I hope that you will like my video and I also hope that you will be the part of my team. We will meet in next video. So till then, stay blessed and stay happy.